Hey everybody, and welcome back to my English Space. What do you say when you aren't always happy with what you get? For example, at the restaurant, they mixed up the orders, you getting pizza instead of lasagna. Well, the best way to handle this is to make a complaint, which is to let those in charge know about the problem in a polite manner, of course. This one last detail is essential and of great help if you want your problem fixed as soon as possible, in no time. Also, great attention is needed when making a complaint. Alongside careful vocabulary, which I'll be walking you through in 3 easy steps: drawing attention, stating the problem, and solving the problem. If you think this is going to come in handy for you at some point in your life, please keep watching. We will do 3 practical situations: at the restaurant, in a hotel, and at the mall. Situation number 1, at the restaurant. You get the wrong food. Excuse me. This is how you draw attention to the waiter. Then go on to state the problem. There's something wrong with my order. It looks great, but this is not what I asked. As you can see, I've used the sandwich method to help make my complaint a bit milder, so it doesn't sound so harsh. Which is, first of all, reporting my problem, then wrapping it up in a nice packaging by making that compliment, and finally, of course, reinforcing what I said in the beginning as a reminder. So it goes like this: negative, there is something wrong; positive, it looks great; and negative again, but this is not what I asked for. We don't want to sound extremely harsh, do we? That's why we insert this nice comment in between, therefore making our complaint less severe and, of course, sandwiching it up. Now, on to step number 3, which is solving the problem. Therefore, we are sure to end our complaint with a question demanding a solution to our problem. May I have my lasagna instead? Here you go. Nice modal would do. May, it sounds so polite and nice at the same time. Now, let's have the full picture. Excuse me, there's something wrong with my order. It looks great, but this is not what I asked. May I have my lasagna instead? Situation number 2, at the hotel. You've just checked in and walking in the room, you notice that the sheets are stained. Could I have a word with you? I've just gotten over to my room and looking around, everything's so nice. And by the way, the view's splendid, yet I have a problem with my bed. The sheets are stained. How can we fix this? A small note here, of course, the use of the sandwich method and the modal in the question, when you're making the demand. So pay attention and be sure to use those too. Number 3, at the mall. You've just bought a jacket, you've just bought it for yourself, and the minute that you're about to pay for it, you notice that it's missing a button. Let's see. I'm sorry to bother you. I don't know if you've noticed, but it's missing a button. Do you think you can help me replace it? So here you go. Again, it's the use of the modal, in the question where you make the demand, the polite demand, of course, and the sandwich technique. Now, these are my ideas on how to make complaints in a polite manner. Of course, there are a lot of other variants on how to do it, but it's over to you now. Now, make complaints for these 2 situations. 1, you were at the airport, right in front of the baggage claim desk, and letting them know that your luggage has arrived damaged. What will you say? For the second one, you're at the market buying fruit when you notice that you've gotten shortchanged. How will you say this to the seller? Let's see. I can't wait to see your answers. And of course, if you've liked my video, please give it a like and subscribe if this has been your first time here. Hope you're finding it all useful. Thank you so much for watching me all through the end. And I'll see you again next time, of course. Bye.